If you're new here, my name is Emily. I do travel, Disney, Universal, whatever I can. I am looking at my makeup today. Why does it look like this? I think it's just a light. But yeah, today we are off. Me and my sister, who I usually go on my adventures with, we're off to see Robbie Williams, so I thought I'd take you along. I am very excited. I used to be a very big Robbie Williams fan when I was younger. Rock DJ was my vibe. I haven't actually listened to the new album, so it's going to be fun. But yeah, come along for the journey because it's a manic one today. There is no train north of Carlisle, so we're going to have to get a 3-hour bus to we're going to Edinburgh. Going to see me at what stadium? Murrayfield? Murrayfield, yeah. We are standing. Last concert I was standing was One Direction, so that's going to be a fun experience. But yeah, last little things to pick up, pack up. Hannah's getting her nails done, so just wait for her to come home, and then we're off on the road again. Ready? Let's go see Robbie. Just a little angels in his name. I've got the train station, waiting for the 3-hour bus. Don't mind the angle. We are on the bus.
Through the west,
we are at 10 minutes. Only, yeah. 2 hours and 40 to go. We plan what we're going to eat when we come out of Robbie, so yeah. We're going to chill out for 3 hours, put my headphones on,
some of these might not be open.
yeah. And I'm going to watch Yellowstone till we get there. We've actually arrived 10 minutes early. That's nice to get there on time, not 5 minutes late. We booked something less for dinner. Change of plan, we are in Gusto.
Food is to like manoeuvre. I fancy carbonara, you know.
My main has come. Looks like it's green.
I know. It's like spinach pasta.
We are finished in Gusto. Delicious. But now I'm going to quickly go to the Dragon, check in, and then head. Because the doors have
like a few days.
No, it's just here for today apparently.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we need to go. And then the doors opened about 10 minutes to go to see Robbie.
But 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And then Robbie's not until 8:30, Rag and Bowman's not until 7, so it's 4 o'clock, so it might be a little bit late. But look at the dragon! Oh, you can't see it. Haha!
Why don't you wait till you get there?
Oh. Stop! checked it. Checking. It's a swimming pool. Oh, we can go in, but we're not going to. Oh, this isn't it. We have arrived at Novotel. I will do a room tour tomorrow because it's 5:30. Yeah. By the time we got the Uber, we did quickly go out for some snacks for tonight. And yeah, Dragon Ball Man's on at 7, so get there.
Have you got my drinks in your bag?
Ready for Robbie.
Oh, it's gonna be too pink.
He's got some jeans, leopard print top, not showing my trousers, my shoes because that Converse would go. They don't. So the photos will be from here up. Ready? Yeah. Let's go see Robbie. Woo! Right, it's so sunny. We've made it to the tram stop. We get off.
That is
4 stops. It is, yes. If anybody wants to know how to get from the Novotel, you walk up, get to the tram stop. 4 stops apparently. Get off Murrayfield. And it's cheaper than staying actually in Edinburgh. Not much, but a little bit.
Down the water.
We are back. The tram wasn't that bad on the way back. As soon as the fish went, we are going. Hello, good morning. It is the day after the night before.
Never!
It is, and great time had by all at Robbie Williams.
Yes, good time had by all.
Good. I am ready for the day. We've been down for breakfast. I will insert the footage.
Do you know what?
Here.
Was one of the best hotel breakfasts I think I've had.
It was delicious. There was all sorts. There was comfy chairs. You know, getting old when the chair is comfy. But yeah, let's. We're gonna do a quick room tour. The camera's timed a little bit so it doesn't look too messy, and then we're gonna head off. So we're gonna start at the door for the room tour.
I'm just leaving it.
Okay. We are in room 151 on the first floor. It's an end room. Can't remember what kind of room it is. It's one with a sofa. That was extra. But yeah, we come in. We have a massive wardrobe. Extra blanket. Extra pillow. I know, yeah. Look at it now. Iron. Lots of storage. Well done, Novotel. Then we've got the fridge, a nice little safe, another cupboard under there, tea making station. We had all sorts, even biscuits. We then turn to the left. We've got a weird door. I'm just going to stand back. So we've got the big door here, and then if I can get just a little door here. When we walk in, we've got, oh hello, the nice mirror. Yep, camera died, hello. Lovely Rituals hand and body wash, shampoo, shower gel, a lovely shower, toilet obviously, come back out, another full length mirror, just in case you didn't know what you look like. Then we've got a Hannah on the bed, these funky lights with tables, take about 10 hours to come on. Hey! We then have big telly, radiator, hairdryer, bin, desk that spins out. Whee! Oh, whoops. Another mirror, lamp, phone. We did book it for the sofa, but I think I only used it once. Well, I was like, oh, that's posh. There's a sofa.
So you booked this one?
So I booked it at a sofa. Well, actually, no. I think it was the cheapest. So I was like, oh, extra cheeky sofa. I also want to show you this. I did get some tissue from Robbie Williams that fell.
From Robbie Williams?
So I'm tired. Robbie Williams that fell, so that's coming home with me. But yeah, let's go see where the day takes us. Oh, I don't know. Oh, some why is it so loud? Got a chat menu. Oh, you're a bit zoomed in. Oh, I'm frustrated. Yeah. Oh well. On the bus.
It's really weird because when you drink it, it's like it should be fizzy.
Oh, got some water. Where? I'm not starving. Thirsty. was a lot quicker than yesterday's drive. Speedy gone. Yeah, a bit manic, but mixed up.